So let's
Okay.
start this conversation by giving our small introductions. You can start or I'll start. I would
Yeah.
like you to start
Yeah.
giving
Yes.
your introduction. Yes.
Definitely. And before we start for the session, because I
Mhm.
am learner, so if I am mistakes some grammatically and whatever, so please correct me. So
No.
because I am just starting for my journey for
Mhm.
English conversation. So I hope uh, I will my best. So yeah. So
Mhm.
thanks for the golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mohit Saxena, and I'm basically from Morena, Madhya Pradesh. I have total experience more than 2 years in IT company, and
Mhm.
so yeah, this is all about yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So tell me something about your work profile.
Yeah, actually, I'm working in a MIS executive role.
Mhm.
So we just uh, handling for the client and sometimes. So we do some technical tools like SQL, like
Mhm.
uh, advanced Excel and all. So we work on that. So
Mhm.
yeah, and whenever for the client meeting, so just for my due to some communication, so I'm just some lacking somewhere.
Mhm.
So
Oh.
that's why the reason just improving for my some communication skills and all.
Mhm.
So
Okay, before that, didn't you realize I should work on my communication skills? Did you not come in any situation like that?
yes, sometimes will happen.
Hmm.
uh, so let's see, I mean, if I do, I mean, it's improving myself.
Hmm.
So whenever I get some do something I mean, it's
Hmm.
not how to correct, please correct me if I am
Hmm.
not able to some basics, so
Okay, no
please
problem.
correct. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, what your question, I just forgot your question now. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. I was asking you that, as you said, that you are working with one of the best companies, or I guess you are an IT profession.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you have to have a word with some of the clients. Now you realize, okay, my communication skills are not up to the mark. I better work on my communication skills. I'm
Yeah.
asking you this, that did you not realize the same earlier? Were you not in any situations where you felt, okay, I better work on my communication skills? This is something I always lack.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes will happen. I mean, so basically, uh, it's more than 2 years. So actually, when I started my career, so I have know this platform to how to communicate, right?
Mm,
Or because mm, not that environment, and
mm,
so for some uh, different reasons.
mm,
So and now this time. Last 2 years COVID happened,
mm,
so they are already work from
mm.
home. So
Right,
on just yeah, so on this online working from homeland, so many
mm,
things have changed.
right,
So internet is booming on that
mm,
period of time. So working from home, not offices, right?
mm,
So so that's the reason, and I'm not aware on that internet and all.
mm,
Uh, so basically, I'm grew up in small town.
mm,
So basically, so you didn't know uh, what the market is going on, right?
mm.
So that's the reason. And then gradually you have experience, so you have some gain some knowledge, some others, right?
Okay. Have you set any deadline till that point of time you are going to achieve that level? Have you have you done that?
Not yet, but still I just improving
Hmm.
uh, to set my mark. I mean, not not the because English is very uh, vast language, right?
Right.
So so you not advanced in on, but I need uh, some basics English languages, so I just able to speak to some others, right?
Hmm.
So if they communicate, so I will be able to speak on that period of time.
Right.
So uh, that's that's why the reason I started for my journey for this uh, conversation and all. So I some do some YouTube videos, and you and some other.
Okay, did you not think of joining any English institutes? Like when we go for any programming languages, we know that we cannot learn these languages on our own. We need someone who can show us the right path, who can guide us impeccably. So, have you not ever thought of joining any English institutes?
Uh, no, just earlier in my school days. So I
Hmm.
joined, but that period of time, that 1 hour class, and that's it, right? And actually the English communication in very important, because in this era, I mean, in this world, you need some basic English communication very needed, because
Hmm.
you have go some outside, and right. So if they know some basics, and I'm starting for basics because I just for if they understand for myself, is this basic.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
if the basic understanding, you're very important. So
Hmm.
if they understand you, you have to face this world, right? So if you don't, I mean, you not exist in this world, world, because because some people I have seen for my age, they are very smart, and
Hmm.
if you go for 22, 23 age, so they are very smart, right? But still, because I'm 90s kids, so
Hmm.
we just I mean, and again I say, I'm middle class families and small town, so that's.
Okay, so what are the problems you usually face whenever you talk to strangers or whenever you talk to your clients? Like, what is that one thing that always stops you from speaking?
uh, my reason is that how to start. I mean,
Hmm.
when you start uh, for the, I mean, for the strangers and other person,
Hmm.
so yeah, so that's the point for, I mean, that's the key. So and when you start the conversation, so I just go on the flow.
Okay. But if you want to know how to start the conversation, for that you have to know some of the starters. Like whenever we start any conversation, first you have to greet and you have to introduce that today I would like to talk about, today I would like to voice my opinion, and today I would like to share my thoughts about this particular topic. So there are so many starters that you have to have in your life. Whenever you start any conversation, you have to start in this way. Today I would like to draw your attention to this particular subject, and today I am thrilled to tell you that today I'm going to talk about this particular thing. When you have starters, you are going to have a lot of confidence, and when you have confidence, like everything is going to work according to you.
It's all about your confidence.
Mm,
It's very important, right? I think
mm,
confidence is very most important key. So
mm,
you just start for your conversation will full of energy, and
mm,
I mean, neutral energy. I mean, I'm not saying full of energy, but very calm and very peaceful.
mm,
You start with your conversation, so it might be very up to the mark. I mean, so I would say, yeah.
mm.
So it's upon you and your ability and your confidence, some, and consistency, and you practice. So these are the keys. I think it might be become very easier. So
Okay. I would like to know the methods that you have improve your English.
What kind of method? I mean, you just
How do you practice? Like, do
actually, yeah, yeah.
you,
Actually, yeah. I have some sessions with uh, Lapingo,
hmm,
so I'll do that.
hmm,
1 or 2, 3 session. I'll do that. But
hmm,
then suddenly I have seen on YouTube channel,
hmm,
so some so many videos I have seen, so
hmm,
that's why the reason you just I reach out, I mean reach out to you.
hmm.
So yeah, so that's why I just 1 to 1 session. Let's try this.
Yes. So, what kind of changes have you seen in you in terms of communication skills?
uh, I have for my, I mean, you asking me and you
For you, that you have been learning language for quite some time, or have you not gained confidence? Okay, now I speak very well. Earlier, I used to, or my mind used to go blank. Now I have that confidence. So, what kind of changes have you seen?
Yeah, yeah. Last 2 years I have changed, and so if I'm back to my earlier days, so it's not a easy to, I mean, how to say, but not able to speak. And
Okay, at least you're
what
not able.
what yeah, so that those days I mean, it's not easy for me because I'm not able to understand what he's saying, and right.
Right. Do you also have any regrets that earlier I should have worked on my communication skills so that I would not have faced these many problems now? Do you come any situation like this?
Yeah, yeah, some it's, when I start, I mean, when I joined the college days,
Hmm.
so I missed those days. I just improved my those days to my
Hmm.
communication. So now these days after the college, so uh, that might be very helpful for me for these days. I'm
All right.
not improving my college days, so I just go and you know, when you after the college you have realized what I'm missing, right?
Hmm.
So yeah, so that's this is how life.
Okay, but I really appreciate the efforts you are making, because I feel that I'm sorry to say this, but when you already have a problem, or do you have this stammering problem since your birth?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, but it becomes very difficult when you stammer or you also struggle to speak English. But I must laud your hard work,
yeah.
like the initiative that you have taken, and keep making an effort like this. And the day is not very far that people are going to look up to you, people are going to idolize you. This is wonderful. Keep
Yeah,
doing this.
thank you so much, Sneh. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Or
Okay.
what do you like to do in your spare time?
Uh, I just reading books. So I I spend some my YouTube content.
Hmm.
So I just because some because I'm in IT company, so we just you have to be updated yourself.
Hmm.
So that's the reason I spending with, and sometimes I family and friends also. Yeah. So
Okay, so what kind of conversation you like to have when you are with your family members, or what kind of conversations you would like to have when you are with your friends? Like, what do you usually discuss?
uh, we not working, but we just fun at
Okay.
you not because whenever I because my school friends are different and my colleagues friends are different, and
Hmm.
also uh, college friends are different, and so we as per the situation we discussing.
Do you like watching movies?
Yeah, yeah, of course I watch some web series also. I have
Hmm.
some I love watch some movies, and I I like just upcoming movies. I have seen that like Pathan, Jawan, so so
Okay.
many movies. Yeah, so I just love that movies
Or
to
do you like
upcoming.
English movies in order to improve your English?
Uh, not really for English movie because uh, I don't. I'm a I'm a school. I'm college days, so I used to some Hindi movie preferred.
All right.
So because English movie, yeah, I watch some movies like Tom Cruise and also, but not really on English movies because I don't know, but yeah, but I must watch some English movies, so I just improving some English conversation. So let's see.
Hmm. Yes. So it was wonderful to have a conversation with you.
Yeah, same
And
here, same here.